Welcome to a Sunday afternoon at Disney Springs. Lindsay and I both decided, you know what, we were gonna eat at Blaze, then we decided let's eat at Polite Pig, let's do some barbecue. We both got the low and slow brisket sandwich, which had like pimento cheese on it, pickled jalapenos. I wasn't crazy about that, so I took them off. It was really good. I got mac and cheese, she got like fried cauliflower or something like that, but hopefully we can head over to World of Disney and check out some of the new price increase on some of the items that we saw earlier this week. Come along with me and we will see what we can get into. Looks like here's a batch of the new World's Most Magical Celebration Spirit jerseys. All we have are smalls and extra smalls. So the sizes are getting a little limited. I'm sure they're gonna restock, obviously, but cute. Something interesting that we did notice was the last like 2 days, all of the headbands got a price increase. So now your headbands are coming in between $24.99 and $29.99. I remember a long time ago when Disney stopped putting price tags on things, and I was like, it's so difficult to find out how much something was because it would just be whatever the sign is placed around the items would be the price tag. But now we can see that without them putting the price on the items themselves, they can fluctuate the price tag based on the demand and what's going on and everything. So, like, if you would have bought a headband 3 or 4 days ago, it would have been $5 cheaper than it is today. These are coming in even at $39.99. I don't remember what they were before, but obviously they got changed because a new sticker was put on. So you can see that they did place a sticker over the old price tag. So these might have been at the $29.99 level and got the $10 price increase for the new Halloween stuff. What also kills me is that these, like the summertime inflatable, like pool float ears, are coming in at $29.99. And if you watch any of the Character Warehouse videos, these were there forever, and you could pick them up for like $4.99. So this is pretty crazy that these are coming in at $30 again. Here's something else, is that these are $32.86. Such a random price for these, but like, these are light up ears. The Haunted Mansion ones are $40, but you can get these and they're light up ears. They are a little heavy, but I mean, so here's another example. So here on the Loungeflies, you can see that some of them, the tag where the price would be there is removed. So because they've taken it off, there's no price, again, on the item itself, and you just have to find what it's gonna ring up at. So, all right, let's see if we can do a little test here. All right, let's see if we can do this. So if you go on the app, you can do shop in store, now testing, we can give that a go. There it is, where are you? So you can currently do it at World of Disney or at Mouse Gear, so we're at World of Disney. And let's scan an item and just see what this comes up as. $95. So even the new Halloween Loungefly that just came out is $20 less than this bag. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. So, but yes, you can check out through the app, which we've done, and it's very easy. Let's take a look at the Loungeflies and see what they have priced on here. If I can find a price. So it looks like these are still coming in at $75. So this is still within the price range that it used to be at. However, we did see that online they were $80 or $85. So if you did check out on the app, you would come over here next to the exit and you can show them your items. You'll have a QR code that they will cross-check with what you have in your bag, and they'll bag everything up for you, and then you can head out. All right, we took a look at the merch, grabbed some lunch. We're gonna grab one more thing and then we're out of here. So Sprinkles is currently baking for the summer season one of Lindsay's favorite cupcakes. It's the banana split cupcake. So we're gonna run in, grab one, maybe two. We'll see what happens when I get up there, so. Oh, it doesn't say Sprinkles on it. Bam. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, it looks like the seating is back. Well, this is nice. All these tables have been gone for a while, so now you can just kind of come and get your cupcakes and eat them right away. I wouldn't eat them right now because it's like 1,000 degrees, so we're just gonna head back. I think that's gonna do it for this video. It is so hot. I'm gonna get these to the car as quickly as we can. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and remember to subscribe. We'll see you on Thursday.